Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import an Excel sheet in Airtable. So once you're inside the Airtable, if you want to upload or import your Excel sheet, click and import on the left hand side. Select the workspace that you want to import it to. So I'm going to choose this one, then click and continue. Here you will find Microsoft Excel. Click on that and you can choose where that document is. If you have it, for example, in Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, wherever it is, or even on your local computer, you can choose that. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, to browse from my PC, and I'm going to just choose a document. So let's say this is the one. I click on it, open, and you can see right here that it shows a file. And then I'm going to upload this file. And as you can see right here, it's quickly uploading. And that's it, guys. Now all you have to do, here you can get a preview of what it looks like, and of course you can go ahead and click and import at the lower right hand side. And that's how you go ahead and import Microsoft Excel into your table, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now have a look at that. This is what it looks like, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.